I cook simple soup. I clean the table. I sweep the floor. I mop the kitchen. I wake up early. I smell a fresh rose. I fold a shirt. I vacuum the rug. I iron my pants. I run in the yard. I walk to the door. I jump once. I turn off the alarm clock. I sit up on the bed. I rub my sleepy eyes. I put on my slippers. I take a shower. I dry my hair with a towel. I choose comfortable clothes. I get dressed. I fill the kettle with water. I boil some water for tea. I take out a cup. I put a tea bag in the cup. I pour hot water into the cup. I drink my warm tea. I open the fridge. I take out some milk. I pour milk on cereal. I take a spoon. I eat my breakfast slowly. I enjoy the quiet morning. I open the window to get fresh air. I water my flowers. I pick up the watering can. I clean the leaves with soft cloth. I look at my flowers with care. I feed my cat. I refill the cat's water bowl. I pet my cat gently. I talk to my cat softly. I put on my shoes. I grab my bag. I head out of the door. I lock the door behind me. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus patiently. I greet the bus driver. I find a seat on the bus.